So here the problem is we need to find the determinant of this one. The solution is, if I am taking this is equal to a, determinant of can be written as a det a, that is nothing but determinant of 1 2 minus 1 2 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 minus 3. So expanding any row, expand any row. Here we are taking R1 row, expand R1 row. So that is nothing but 1 into minor of 1 minus 2 into minor of 2 minus 1 into minor of minus 1. That is 1 into minor. Minor is nothing but remove corresponding row and column. For 1 is indicating as a first row and first column. We remove the corresponding row and corresponding column. We get that minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 into minor of 2. We get that 2 2 1 minus 3 minus 1 into minor of minus 1 2 minus 1 1 minus 1, and we get that equal to 1 into, so that is ABCD, determinant of ABCD, nothing but AD minus BC. So we get that minus 1 into minus 3, that is nothing but a 3 plus 2 minus 2 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2 plus 1. That is for we apply that determinant of ABCD, that is nothing but AD minus BC, that is ABCD is nothing but AD minus BC. So we get that 3 plus 2, that is nothing but a 5, and minus 2 into minus 8 minus 1 into minus 1, we get that 5 plus minus into minus plus 2 into 16 plus 1. So we get that 25 16 plus 5 21 plus 1 22. Here we written as a deleting, that is minor is nothing but deleting corresponding row and column, corresponding row and column. So here that 1 2 minus 1, that is expand R1, 1 into minor of 1 2 into minor of 2 and 1 minus 1 into minor of minus 1. This is nothing but 1 to minor of 1, remove the corresponding row and corresponding column. What is this one? This is nothing but first row first column. We get that minus 1 2 minus 1 minus 3, and minor of 2 nothing but first row second column. We get that 2 2 1 minus 3, and the minor of minus 1 nothing but first row third column. We remove that 1, we get that 2 minus 1 1 minus 1, and we have the determinant of ABCD. The determinant of ABCD is nothing but AD minus BC, and we simplify, we get that answer 22. And next, and similarly if we do that, determinant of this problem AHG HBF GFC. So for that we do that A into minor of 1 minor of A minus B into that is minus h into minor of h plus g into minor of g. min is indicating as a minor here. So that is a into minor, deleting the corresponding row and corresponding column, we get that bffc minus h into minor of h, that is we get that hf gc plus g into minor of g hb gf. And we know that determinant of ABCD nothing but AD minus BC, we get that A into BC minus F square minus H into CH minus FG plus G into HF minus G square. So we get that ABC minus AF square minus CH square plus FGH plus FGH this is nothing but HF BG. So this is nothing but a BG square. So finally we get that ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square. So here we do that, expand any row, expand here R1, expand R1, A into minor of 1, here the signs are plus, minus, plus, A into minor of A minus H into minor of H plus G into minor of H. What is this one? Minor is nothing but delete corresponding row and column, corresponding row and column. And next ABCD, determinant of ABCD is nothing but AD minus BC. So these are the basics one, note. Okay.